First use case I'm going to show you now is the self-evaluation of your credit score. For this use case, I will be using my own dataset where the prediction is to predict your credit score health. Let's dive into to build the model. So first go to the use cases and select the classification. And then from here, you can see the plus button where you actually can upload your own data, name your data, and put the description just to help to manage it later. And choose file, upload your data, save dataset. And from here, you can see the table preview where actually the uploaded data, you can see all the features and the columns. The plus button here show the rest of the columns of your own dataset. Okay, great. And then go to data preprocessing before we start to train our model. From here, this is where data scientists spend most of their time to cleaning their own data. And from here, the information we get is outlier for 1.6%. So it comes to our question that where is the outliers coming from? So in here, you can select the features and see where the outliers lying. Okay, great. Now we see that annual income shows the outliers. So what we can do here, we have provided the strategies for handling the outliers. So in this case, we'll using kept using IQR, min and max. You actually can use another strategies just to see how it actually train when you train your model. But in this case, I will be using kept using IQR, min and max. Run processing, save to new file. And then here are the new file that actually have been saved that have been cleaned from the data strategy that we select on. Okay, great. Now we actually can do the modeling. Just click the train my model here. Select the target. From this data set, we actually want to predict the credit score. And select the features. This is where you want to train which features you want to train in the model. But in this case, I will use auto selection because we are providing you guys an auto selection. There is a backend program that we actually select the most relatable and relevant to build the machine learning model. Run training. Okay, great. It's been completed. So from here, it will go through to the my model where this is where my the pre-trained model that I be trained on your own data set. So from here, the exchange section, you can see the 3 layers from here. The part where you can see your model have been learned. There's an info and the result and also the dataset. This is where the training features that have been trained in the machine learning model. Okay, great. Now we can do the testing to see actually this prediction is good to proceed or not. So I'm going to select a random number right here. Age could be 43. Number of loan maybe 5. Yes. And then click execute. Then you can straightly get the result of your credit score. It's great, right? Other than that, we have a comparison page right here, where you actually can see all the algorithm have been trained on the backend. As usual, our program will select the most highest training accuracy, so you don't have to worry about the accuracy. Okay, great. And then from the cloud button here, where you actually can deploy in API key level or web URL, just click the deploy now, and it will generate a API key and then the web URL.